So when you first go in, you will need to authenticate yourself using your email and your password. And this app is a all-purpose productivity app that will help add structure to your life, not just by like showing you what you need to do, but also guiding you on how to get there. And here you can use the transcript. This will be the onboarding stage where through talking through to our my AI agent, it'll identify your goals, what you're currently doing, and what steps do you need to take to get to your goals. Above, you'll see a progress bar, so you'll know exactly how long there's left in the onboarding process. It might take a little long, but it's really needed for the AI to identify what your goals are. It loads, you'll be shown this page. It has different tabs based on what you need right now, and it's a full purpose productivity app. So this is the profile of the user. It has the psychometrics, the capability set, the schedule of the user, and also the to-do list. The user can also update their image here, like so. And let's say the user doesn't know what to do next. So they go to the skill tree, and this is generated based on the goals that they established in the onboarding process. And you can see it generates like so. And so I can just look at this and see what I can do next after I've done this. And it actually adds like a tangible progression system. And there's four different tabs for the four pillars: career, physical, social, and mental. And this is a calendar view. So you can plan out your day or your month. And there's this lock-in feature. Let's say you want to lock in for 15 minutes. Here is the phone detection system. If you're on your phone, it'll tell you. And this is the Pomodoro, work or break. This is the to-do list for this session specifically. And this is the direct chat with Gemini. But let's say you want to explore a specific concept, you'll press this and it'll move to this page. Let's say, what is evolution? So moving on to the login page. Let's say you want to log in for 15 minutes. You will initiate the lockdown. And here you'll see four modules. Here is the phone detection system. If it detects a phone, they'll tell you to stop. So this is the Pomodoro. This is right here, started. This is the to-do list for this specific session. And this is the direct chat with Gemini. So, but this is, let's say you want to explore a specific concept, like what is evolution?
And then you press generate, and here you'll see a map view that is very different from the normal Gemini chatbot because you can go to different tangents. Let's say you don't know what inheritance is. You can ask that, what is this? And it'll answer that spot specifically, like so. And then you can choose to go deeper into this or create a new branch depending on what you need.
And then at the end of the day, after you did all your tasks, after you logged in, you can report it here, and then it'll tell you, do a check-in, And then, but okay, if there's actually a task, it'll show up here. And then based on the task you've done and you haven't done, and based on the user facts and the past patterns, it'll automatically update your calendar, automatically update your skill tree to add more habits if you haven't, if it's too hard for you, and it'll automatically schedule this for you. So you know exactly what to do when and your to-do list.